Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Oppo Enco Air 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix your Bluetooth pairing issues. So if you have Bluetooth pairing issues, the first thing you have to check if you have your Bluetooth enabled. As you can see, I have it enabled. If you don't, you just have to hit to enable it. Now you can see we are now connected to our headphones. If it doesn't work for you, you just have to go into your settings of your headphones, if you're not connected of course, and check if you have enabled media audio. If you have this disabled, your headphones won't play music. If it doesn't work too for you, the only solution is to make a hard reset for them. To make hard reset, you just have to remove them from your case and touch your touch panels for at least 15 seconds. That's it for this video. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.